How to recover data from Android phone that won't turn on. The only way to turn on Samsung is by pressing the power button. Mobile phone users might have encountered that their phone won't turn on and want some solutions to fix it. What to do if your phone won't turn on? 1. Check phone battery. Charge your phone for enough time or change another battery. 2. Enter Android recovery mode to turn mobile phone on. Step 1. Press and hold the volume down plus home plus power buttons until the Samsung logo appears. Step 2. Press the volume down button to choose reboot system now, then press the power button. Hard reset Android phone. Another reason that causes Android phone won't turn on is the operating system or the software is corrupted. Perform a hard reset, but this will erase data that is stored locally on the phone. To do so, make sure that your phone is powered off. Below is the example of hard reset a Samsung Galaxy phone. Step 1. Hold and press volume up plus home plus power simultaneously until the Samsung word. Step 2. Release the button when you see the logo. Step 3. Use volume buttons to choose the wipe data factory reset and then press the power button. 4. Retrieve data on Android phone that will not turn on with Phone Lab. If you need some help for rescuing data from an Android phone that won't turn on, Phone Lab broken Android phone data extraction is the best choice to fulfill your data recovery attempt. Step 1. Download and install the program on your computer with above link. Then the program will automatically launch when it is done. Choose broken Android phone data extraction on the interface. Step 2. Connect your Samsung device to the computer with the USB cable. Click the Start button under the correct description according to your needs. Step 3. Make sure that you choose the correct information of your Samsung Galaxy phone including the device name and device model. Then click Confirm to move on. Step 4. This step will lead your Samsung phone to enter download mode. Follow the on-screen instruction to enter. Power off the phone, press and hold the volume down, home power button together, press the volume up button and click on the Start button. Step 5. The program will scan data from your phone. After it is finished, choose whatever file types you want on the left column and click Next. Preview and mark the items you want to recover and click Recover All. If you want to learn more details about Phone Lab, you can visit www.phonelab.com.